Can cleaning a SIM card improve its performance?
Hello everyone, and welcome to our Tech Talk today. We've all been there, dealing with poor mobile network, dropped calls, or even text messages that just won't send. One commonly suggested solution is to clean your SIM card, but does this really work? Can cleaning a SIM card actually improve its performance? Let's dive into this together.
Understanding the role of the SIM card.
To understand whether cleaning can improve a SIM card's performance, it's important to know what a SIM card does. A subscriber identity module or SIM card is a tiny chip in your mobile device that carries your identity information. This includes your phone number, service plan details, contacts, and more. However, it's essential to understand that the SIM card is not directly responsible for signal strength or network coverage. These are determined by factors like your service provider's network infrastructure, your location, your device's capabilities, etc.
So, can cleaning improve a SIM card's performance?
In reality, cleaning a SIM card is unlikely to enhance its performance in terms of improving signal strength or data speed. As we mentioned earlier, these factors are largely out of the SIM card's control. However, if your device is having trouble reading the SIM card, for example, if your phone often shows a SIM card not detected message, then cleaning the SIM card might help. This issue is usually caused by dust or debris blocking the connection between the SIM card and the device. In such cases, carefully cleaning the SIM card can help restore proper functionality.
How to properly clean a SIM card?
If you find it necessary to clean your SIM card, do it gently. Use a soft cloth, like a lens cleaning cloth. Avoid scratching the metallic parts of the SIM card, as these contain important information and damaging them could render the card unusable. So, to wrap things up, cleaning your SIM card won't boost your signal strength or speed up your data. However, if your phone is having trouble reading the SIM card due to dust or debris, a gentle cleaning could help. Remember, always handle your SIM card with care to avoid any damage. We hope this discussion has cleared up some common misconceptions about SIM cards. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tech insights.